Hello and welcome to Undet for Revit. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our new tool called Fit Columns. This tool is pretty similar to how we used Fit Wall. You just need to pick 3 points and it'll create your new type and place the element without having any hassle of changing size, then placing it correctly. You can just click 3 times and that's all. So let's see how it works. So we can go to under ribbon and find it here with Fit Wall tool. So you click on Fit Column, then we'll get this dialog box where we'll need to check some settings. So let's say whatever type of column I want to work with, I will need to select. So let's say I want to start with rectangular columns. I can click on rectangular columns. Then you need to define what's your base and top. So let's say I want to go from basement till the ground floor. And if you have some values for offset from top or base, you can always write it here. Then we have step. So step is basically what should be the increment in sizes of these elements. So let's say right now it's 300 by 450. And if it needs to be changed up bigger or smaller, it will be like 310 by 460 or 290 by 440. And it will increase in the sizes. So if you have tolerance, I don't know, if it's 30 millimeters, you can write 30 millimeters here. Then all the elements will be changed within 30 millimeter of steps. Next is this first 2 points are defined as height and dimension. But again, it's not a very mandatory tool to be used. You can keep it unchecked unless you're sure that first 2 points which you're selecting is the height of the profile, and then third point will be defining the width of the profile. But for now, let's leave it as it is. Then tool will automatically create pick the naming standard from your type. So let's say the family type is right now named as 300 times 450 millimeters without space. So prefix right now is there is no prefix. Then there is breadth by height, which is here, and then last suffix is millimeter. So it automatically detects it. In case you want to change it according to your new standards, you can just write your prefix and suffix here, and it will follow that standard for throughout the project wherever you'll work with. So let's see how it works. So let's click on Start Modeling, and we click 1 point, second point, and the third point, and there we go. Let's try here. First point, second point, and third point, and I think we have another rectangular column. Okay, no. So now let's say I see two round columns and one I-beam. So what we can do, staying within the tool and not exiting. So you just need to press escape once, and you can change the column type. And let's say I want to make this H-beam. So I'll just select this and start modeling again. Let's say 1 click, 2 clicks, and 3, and it's placed. Now let's control Z. And what if I instead of clicking 1, 2, and 3, I did 1, 2, and 3. Maybe the profile is will be placed differently. So let's see how it works. So we can click again. Let's select H column and everything else is the same. So you click on Start Modeling, and let's click 1 point, second point, and third point. Whenever such cases arise, you can just press Escape once and click on Toggle Last Column, and it will automatically change its orientation based on whatever size it is. And you can always fix problems in case such problems arises. Now let's see what else we need to model. We have two round columns. So round columns are very similar as we did these two. We just need to pick 3 points on the arc. So let's press escape once and then change our column to be round column and start modeling. So 1 click, second click, and third click. Same here also. 1 click, 2 click, and 3 click. There we go. So it's pretty easy way, instead of making types, editing, changing names, then copying them or placing them again and again, then somehow align them to the point cloud. This tool is much better, where you just need to click 3 points and the tool automatically places the element. So I hope you will find it very helpful, and it will speed up your work whenever you're working with scan to BIM projects. Thank you.